Stand with your feet hips to shoulder distance apart. Let your knees bend slightly and your tailbone drop into your heels. Feel your weight heavy into the earth, feeling that the earth is supporting you. Let your shoulders relax, your arms relax by your sides. Gently bring them in front of your lower belly. With an inhale, let your arms rise in front of your chest. And with an exhale, let them drop back down, imagining warm water, melting any winter stagnation, any stiffness in your joints. Let the warm water run down through your body and back down into the earth. And again, inhale, let your arms gently rise from the earth and let them fall back down in front of your body, imagining warm water melting away any stiffness, discomfort, and pain, washing your body all the way back down into the earth. Do this a few more times on your own pace, letting your movement match your inhale up and your exhale down, each time imagining warm water melting away stiffness in your body. And after the last time, go ahead and shake out your joints, shake off that water. Imagine wind shaking off water, the dew off of the leaves of a tree. And when you feel complete, come back to stillness with your hands resting on your lower belly, feeling your body and all of the tissues and joints soft and lubricated from that warm water. Feel moistness and warmth in your lower belly, maybe closing your eyes. Feeling nourished by that rainwater.